Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another video tour. If you guys are just tuning in to this channel for the first time, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. So today I'm back out here at it again in Northwest Las Vegas in the master plan community called Skye Canyon. So today we're going to be touring this model, the Clavel by Tow Brothers. Now, this model right here, there's three different elevations or three different styles to pick and choose from. You have the Spanish Contemporary, which this is the Spanish Contemporary. The base price, the asking price, the starting price is $559,995. You do have an option for a modern craftsman and also a modern farmhouse. So this property right here, you have an option to do 3 bedrooms, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 3-car garage. It is 2,164 square feet. So let's go inside, let's take a look and see what we have here. So you have the option to do the upgrade pavers here. I believe these are your standard pavers right here, okay? Now on the different elevations, you're going to have siding or the option for the stack stone, depending on which elevation that you pick from, okay? Now let's take a look down here. As you can see all these pavers. Now, as I was walking up, I don't know if you guys can really see the sheen on the pavers. This is how you know that these pavers actually have been sealed. Number one, I can smell it, but I can also see it too as well. And this is what it looks like right here once it's all dried up. So basically the builder pretty much sealed this whole pathway, all these brick here. And the point that I'm trying to get across is that you may want to seal your pavers too as well. It lasts a lot longer, but you can really smell the fumes from it. Still fresh. Now what you'll see down here, when you see this, this tells you that there's actually a clean out, okay? Reason why you need that is so that way, if the plumber needs to send a snake down there to flush out your clogged pipes, definitely they could do that. Here, we have our storage box, UPS, FedEx. Put your box here, you can lock up your items. It does come with a Ring doorbell and your keypad to rekey. Now I'm going to walk you guys straight back here. Whew, it is hot, guys. But it's still tolerable. So this is a contemporary floor plan. Look how gorgeous this is. Definitely gives you that modern look for sure. Look at that. But I'm going to walk you guys back here. We're going to start from the beginning. Okay. So we have a nice 8-foot door, 10-foot ceilings again. First bedroom that we're going to head into is 11 by 10. If you guys want more information about this property, click on the link in the description below. I do love how they added the casings around the windows here. That's something that I would definitely ask to make sure is that included, because I love that casings around that window. Really gives you that custom feel. Now this bedroom is not that large. You do have 8 inches on the baseboards. Okay. Your walk-in closet. Pretty decent size. It's good for the guest. But I love how high this walkway, right? You got the nice faux beams. Very decorative. You got your thermostat right here. Coming right into the bathroom. Now, this bathroom, I'm going to say it's a little bit tight. All right, so we have, wow, this is very unique. You have toilet here with the door, the bathtub right here, fiberglass, which is nice and deep. But you can see how tight this is with the single sink. So basically, this would be shut if somebody has to use it. But then this is kind of open. as people enter. So this is probably a door that I would always keep closed. This is a tight bathroom, I'm gonna say. The cabinet should be urban effects. Look at this toothbrush. This is kind of cool. Huh. Kind of like that. Nice backsplash. Okay. Alright, let's take you back out to the hallway here. Again, we got some faux beams. Right to my right here, this could be utilized as a formal dining room if you choose to. However, you do have a little section right there for your dining. So I'd probably just leave this as a dining. I'm sorry, I would actually convert this into a bedroom because this is an option because you could literally take this to a 4-bedroom if you wanted to. Let me know in the comments below if that's something that you would do. I probably would do the 4th bedroom here. But then if I did the 4th bedroom, the option that I would do on this 4th bedroom is do the French doors here, right? Just frame out the French doors but not have the door because now I can utilize this as my office. I'll still have a closet now that's built in. In addition to that, on the resale value, if I want to convert it back to a 4th bedroom to add value to this property, then I would just put back on the French doors. Does that make sense, folks? Because now you have a room that you could utilize as an office, as a guest room, or you can turn it back into a 4th bedroom on the resale. Now, to frame that out, to me, it's completely worth it. That's something that I would do with this build. Off to my left right here, we have a closet that is locked. Off to my right, we have the laundry. Front load laundry, Whirlpool appliances. You can buy it directly through this builder. 42 upper cabinets with a 3-inch crown. And optional sink if you choose to. And the 48-inch smart panel box. Can we open this one? This one looks like it can be open. Let's take a look. Yes. So what do we have here on the smart panel box? Number one, we definitely have the Sqft tube. You have the Cat 6 and also you have some cable coax ready to go. However, it is not ready. Here's your 2-car garage. This is being utilized as storage. I'm sorry, 3-car garage. Okay, with the MyQ app, Lift Master. Now these are just like all their doors and stuff like that used for storage, so don't mind the mess. Now this is a junior suite. Notice the junior suite has the 12 by 24 on the tile here. 34 inches on the cabinet height here. With the cast iron sink undermounted. You got your fiberglass pan and tile to the ceiling. Not bad. Now let's head on back here. Right above here we do have the air filters. These look to be 22 by 20. You have 2 of them. Now let's go out to the main living. Now, if we take a look at the main living, on the flooring, which you have 16 by 36 on the porcelain tile. The reason why you're going to go bigger on these tiles, within an open space like this, you can't use 12 by 24 inch because the problem is it's such a big space and you really want to utilize the space. And what I mean by that is the bigger the tile, when you have an area like this, it makes the home or this area appear a lot bigger. That's right. Quick tip. There you go. So what you're going to get here in the kitchen, you're going to get the granite countertops, right? I believe with the 4-inch backsplash and 42 upper cabinets, but they're going to be the maple cabinets. This waterfall right here is about 4 feet by 7 feet here, and you do have a 2-inch face on this quartz, okay? Beautiful front apron right here, stainless steel. And the cabinet should be Urban Effects. So let's just double check. See who's contracted this out. Oh, dang, these are actually MCs. They're doing MCs out here, which is also a good brand. I wonder how they picked that up. Okay. Now, this is not a built-in refrigerator. However, just make sure once you get the measurements for your refrigerator, depending on the depth of the cubic inch on your refrigerator, the door will be sticking out a little bit further. I love this like modern style cabinet. The color tone is pretty cool. I mean, it's very warm. Not my style, but I'm definitely feeling it. You do have an option to do a cook countertop too as well. Does come with Whirlpool appliances besides the refrigerator. I'm sorry, yeah, the refrigerator and also the microwave. I'm sorry, refrigerator, washer, and dryer, you big dummy. Love the backsplash here. Let's take another look. Look how gorgeous that is. Now, let's go take a look at this. Living room. Wow, I love the feature wall with the nice marble tile. And then we have the what do you call? This is not 48 inches. What's the next one up? 48. What? 50 inches on here. 50, 60 inch on the heat glow. That looks like a heat glow. What's nice about this, you can change the ambience as far as the color wise. Kind of give you that mood. Here's your fireplace right here. First thing you're going to do is turn this on. Then you should be able to hit this for different colors. What mood do you guys like? Off, on, green, purple. Oh, that's purple. Blue, teal, and blue. Oh, man. I don't even know my colors. That's gorgeous, huh? So this cafe section right here, right? Let's go take a look. Now the cafe is going to be 14 by 13. You do have a 6-foot slide. And these are vinyl slides. Okay. You have your covered patio. Your covered patio is going to be 10 by 14. You have an option to pre-wire as well. As you can see, they're doing some stuff here. Let's take a look. Just being a little bit nosy. I mean, the backyard's not that big, but look at this. This is a pretty deep pool. Let's go back into the primary. Primary has a nice 9-foot slide. King-sized bed. Not bad, right? The primary is 16 by 14. Let's take a look at this bathroom here. Okay. Oops, sorry. Mess it up with the gimbal. Now, if you guys have never been up to Skye Canyon, the master plan community, there's tons of parks. Also, there's a clubhouse too as well. They got a gym, spa, pool. They got a bunch of things like for kids and stuff like that. Parks. Very family oriented, I feel like. Your walk-in closet. Custom built shelves. Build time right now with this builder is going to take approximately about a year. Now, they have the 2 stories across the street there. However, the 2 stories won't be ready until August. That's right. The master plan fee for this community is $84. The HOA for this community is $65. Gives you a total of $149. That's right. Now, if you guys are interested in this property and you guys come out here to this track, I want you to get with the salesperson, Daniela. Okay, I've been working with her for some time. All the clients love her. She is a great sales rep for this brand. And she is very good at what she does. So show her some love when you come out here. Just let her know that Chuck referred me over to you, and I got some questions. Other than that, hey guys, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. I really, really do. You know, where I am at today is because of each and every one of you guys. And I may say this a lot in the videos, but the reason why I say this is because I really do appreciate you guys. Like, seriously, you guys have changed my life. Not only my life, but all the team members that are on the team. That's right. Other than that, thank you so much, guys. Like I said, I really do appreciate you guys. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Other than that, I'm Chuck. It's Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day, folks.